Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another Space Engineers live stream. I am DreadedEntity. There we go. Finally showed up. Don't know why it keeps doing that. Let's see. So, when we played on Monday, I am suffering from an intense lack of gold, and apparently did a lot of exploring in that direction. What about this direction? No, that didn't really do any exploring in this direction. So, we need to find gold. Pretty badly. Give me a sec. Alright, let me take a look at how much food and water we're carrying. Yeah, we got plenty of both. Oh, I guess I could drop off some plates too. Not sure why I'm carrying so many of those. Alright. My ship is all ready to go. Oh, you see that? There's a trading outpost 5 kilometers away. Huh. But it's like, it's hostile. I don't like that. Can I do anything about this? I feel like there used to be a way that I could, like, ask them to be friendly with me. See, it says attacked on sight. That is not what I want. They are... What does that say? MA 1.34. Here. Marine Industries. Hey, Rohan. Going gold mining in space now. Yes, hopefully. That is hopefully the plan if I actually find some tonight. I did not find any gold last time on Monday, so hopefully we actually find some this time. I thought there used to be a way that I could ask for peace with the other factions, but maybe I am not right about that. Yeah, that's iron. Tie-Dye made fun of your optics engine and sound simulator. Why? How? How did he make fun of it? I'm sure he didn't mean any harm by it, Rohan. He said you couldn't decide how to spell oil and mentioned Oreos. How did you spell oil? Oh. You called them French. I honestly don't really know what to say to that, if I'm being honest with you. Whoa, what is that? It's red. Did I just find redstone? What is that? Oh wow, I can't wait to get over there. What is that, dude? I didn't know Ubisoft was French. I thought they had a French studio. Yeah, this is a huge asteroid. I wonder if there's anything in the game that will allow me to calculate distances to like where I'm looking. What is this red rock? This is so weird. What are you? Phosphorus. Huh. Okay. I've never seen this before. I know this is from the daily needs mod that I've got. I've never seen that before though. I'm not really sure what use it has, if I'm being honest. Let's take a look around the asteroid just to see if there's anything else here. Just phosphorus, it looks like. Parallax? Maybe. But I need to have... I don't know how to explain it. There's no like scriptable solution as far as I know. GPS. What is phosphorus? Is it pH? That can't be right. I'll just put down pH. Let me look at this. Let's see what we got here. I'm sure there's a... Whoa, I'm my user controllable gun. What the hell is this? Okay, so it's the turrets. He's shooting. Not seeing anything here. Yeah, I was thinking maybe there could be something useful in this. But no, there's nothing useful in there. Let me see if we can find the antenna. Radio antenna, probably. Yeah, here we go. Radio antenna. So I can get the radius. No, I don't think that's... What's the secret antenna called? Called a laser antenna? Here we go. Wire line of sight. Wait, target coords. Get target coordinates. I wonder if I could use that. That could be useful. Get target coordinates. I'm definitely gonna have to give that a try with the laser antenna. Alright, let's see. Phosphorus is just P, so let me change that. And I guess we'll move on. Looks like the only thing on this asteroid was phosphorus. Only I could get some gold, man. Yeah, I know that's what you said. That's why I changed it from PH to P. I couldn't remember what the abbreviation is for phosphorus. Because I'm pretty sure this mod only... I'm pretty sure the Daily Needs mod is the only mod that adds those ores. Let's see, can we see anything? Anything useful? Oh my god! Oh my god, we got it! We got it, boys. This is it. Oh! Oh yeah. We got our gold. I wish there was more. Heck yes. GPS space AU. Yeah. Just enter AU in the console. Wouldn't that be nice? So I could, like... I could search for all of the ones I've only got one in Mars and now one in space. Alright, cool. So I'm going to use my remote control to take me back to the station now. Yeah, exactly. This is what I'm talking about. When you're looking for ore, it's such a crapshoot, man. It's like... Because on Monday, I spent pretty much the entire stream looking for gold. Didn't find any. And then today, we get on here, and the second rock we look at has gold on it. Don't I remember my periodic table symbols? I mean, I remember some of them, maybe even a lot of them, but not all of them. I guess it depends on what you consider to be a lot, though. kind of a lonely ride back to the station, huh? Yeah. Gotta be honest with you, Rohan, there's a lot there that I don't remember. Alright, let me see something. I want to see if there's something I can do to improve my quality of life for this ship. Stay away from those gold diggers. I'll try. Thanks for the advice, Wade. You always got my back, man. Alright, so here's pretty much the idea. Oh, I don't know if that's gonna work like that. Let's put it on there like that instead. Okay, this should hopefully work pretty well for us. Oh yeah, I'm having a great day. How are you having of a day, Wade? Don't I have another place I could hide a... Oh, wow. Guess I don't. Thought I had another place I could hide a programmable block. It's alright. We'll just stick this guy right here in the front. That doesn't... Oh, that doesn't actually obstruct my view at all. Haha. There we go. Is this built? Yeah, that's built. Alright, so the piston... Yep, inertia tensor is on. And the rotor... That's also on. better. You're walking again. Oh, man. That's good to hear. Not fun fracturing your heel in 4 places. Oh, God. Doesn't sound fun to me. But, forgive me if I just take your word for it, Wade. Okay, so my question is, if I rotate this, is it going to try to explode my storage container? Oh, because I really don't want that to happen. What if we go, like, real slow? Oh, it got jammed. Yep. Yep. Got jammed. Alright. Guess that solves that problem. So, we're gonna do a small grid. Small grid stuff it is. We also don't need that large head. The rotor, we need a rotor lock, and we need to attach a small head. Why are we rotating? Oh, no. Oh, God. What's going on? Oh, dampeners are off. Whew. That was scary, guys. How far down should I go? Maybe 3 pistons? Weird ship shape. I think it kind of looks like a beetle. Or like, almost like some kind of insect, maybe? I guess it looks a little odd. What the heck is going on here? This thing doesn't like to rotate, does it? So apparently having shear inertia tensor is not good for this. I should make a Death Star or a Death Cube. Okay. Okay, those are ideas for sure. I certainly wouldn't say that I'm above making a Death Star or a Borg-style Death Cube. What happens if I say... Yeah, what if I just reverse? No way. Does it not reach? Oh, no. It just... It doesn't reach. But, like, just barely. Yeah, spherical shapes don't look good. Embrace the dark side. I'm lonely. Well, you're always welcome here, Wade. So anytime you need that little taste of the Empire, you can drop on by. So, like, my question with this is, like, how's this gonna work? Let's take this, the speed, and let's cut that. Oh, no, not 1. Definitely not 1. How about, like, negative 0.1? Oh, I bet I could share those. Okay, let's share those. So, like, I definitely know this is going to reach far enough. It worked. Yes. Now, how far are my pistons extended? 1.4 meters on all of them. Okay. The heck? Didn't I say reverse? What the hell? Landing gear. Unlock. What is going on here? This piston. Yeah, it says negative. Oh no, what's going on? Oh, they're off. Oh, that was ridiculous. Okay, let's see. If you were to write a construction system that allowed you to anchor parts at any angle to multiple other parts, such as so you could build an icosahedral frame. Sure. If you do that, Rohan, I'll build it. How's that sound? So this lower limit, I'm going to have this at 0 degrees. And I guess the upper limit's going to be at 90 degrees. Kind of want this to go faster. What if I did it like 2? I mean, oh, that's a problem. Oh wait, no it's not. Yeah, that's not a problem at all. Let's reverse that. I might have to turn the torque up. Alright, now let's see if this works. Guess we'll just have that to auto lock. And then our pistons, these maximum distance is 1.4 meters. Let's reverse all of those. What am I making? I'm trying to make a quality of life improvement to my ship to where I can automatically attach and stow away this drill head. And it looks like it's working right now. But we'll see. Okay, so now the drill head is locked from that landing gear. So I'm going to undo the merge block right there. All right. Okay, looking good. Let's take my rotor and we will reverse. Ooh, doesn't have enough power. Okay. The rotor does not have enough power. What if I add some more torque? So we are firmly in the red here, boys. Look, it's like... I wonder if it's, Oh, interesting. I wonder if it's catching on the edge of that merge block right there. So the rotor, let's go ahead and... Uh-oh. Like that. The default is max? That's odd. Twerk? No, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make it so my drill head will can place itself and undo itself automatically. Yeah, look at that, look at that. Okay, this is working. It's working. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, now we just have to retract these pistons. Reverse. Oh my god, I fucking did it. I fucking did it. Wow. Well, boys, that is next level right there. I can't believe that worked out so well. After the way everything goes whenever I'm trying to build something. Yeah, me too. Notice how the, if you look at my speed indicator, it says that I'm vibrating very quickly. All right, so now I need that to happen automatically. So let me take these pistons and I'll say drill head assistance. That works. Save that. This landing gear, we can rename this to drill head assistance. Drill head assistance landing gear. And this rotor is drill head assistance rotor. What did I call this group? Drill head assistance? Okay. Drill head assistance. Call that DHA. So, up here we can do, I want this to run update frequency 10. Do I need this to save? I don't think I need this to save. Let's remove the save. All right. We got to figure out how this is going to work. So, all right, here's how this will work. If we turn on the programmable block, consider that committing an action. I think committing has 2 T's. So action is toggle drill, no, not dread, drill head on/off. So here's what I'm thinking. The script that we'll build, we're going to turn it on with a key press on our hotbar. Okay? Turn that on. And then what it's going to do is it's going to cycle whether the drill head is on or off. And then once that action is complete, then it will shut itself off. I've inspired you to return to programming computers. Awesome. I think everyone should have at least a basic knowledge of programming. I mean, it's not like you need to be good enough to like get a job in programming, but I think everyone should know at least some basic scripting. Oh no, time traveling FBI, your base got destroyed in multiplayer? That sucks, man. Oh, that's terrible. Sorry to hear that. That's gonna need an interrupt-driven function. No, I don't see why I do. At least one assembly language and one high-level language? Okay. Well, if you like to play Space Engineers as I do, then C# is not a bad high-level language to learn. Alright, so this is going to be var the rotor, my motor stator, grid terminal system get blocks. Damn. I don't remember what these functions are called. Alright, let's go to Notepad. Don't look at this. This is for a video that I'm going to be uploading soon. So I re-record literally every clip that I made. Here. So I need this. Get block with name. I'm going to need this line. And here. There should be one function that I wrote where you get lists. Here, yeah. Get group list by name. Here we go. Get group list by name. You deserved it though. What did you do? FBI. Have I ever checked out Empyrean Galactic Survival? No, I haven't. Um, but I have been wanting to. I've been following, not following, what do you call it on Reddit? I've been subscribed to their subreddit for like years, and I've like never bought the game. There you go. Get block with name. What did I call it? I think I call it drill head assistance rotor. Is that what it was? How do I use this guy? So I just auto cast it. Interesting. Oh no, this is an IMI terminal block. So maybe I can cast that once it comes out of this function. Probably. So here's pistons. Sure. Oh no, wait. This needs to be a list. My piston base. Get group list by name. Don't remember what I called this group either. I think it's just called drill head assistance. It's like if No Man's Sky and Space Engineers had a baby. Oh wow, that sounds awesome. One who wrote that code is a right proper bloody spaghettor. Well, if my career as a programmer doesn't work out, there's always Pasta Chef. And these I don't think you would call these templates. I think you would call them generics. Because these are type T things. Var landing gear. Let's do it like that. I don't even know what this is. I guess it's just my landing gear, I hope. My landing gear. Get block with name. Drill head assist. Drill head assistance landing gear. Found their ship completely unguarded, so you took it as legitimate salvage. And I would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for you meddling kids. Attaboy. I like your attitude. So okay, so let me see if I got these things named correctly. Drill head assistance, okay. I think that's right. My rotor. Drill head assistance rotor, okay. Drill head assistance landing gear. Cool. Alright, I think everything's named properly. Sounds like a Scooby-Doo catchphrase? Well, that's because it is a Scooby-Doo catchphrase. Alright, how are we going to do this? We need to do this quick and dirty. First thing we're going to do is check. I am just going to look at the API reference that I've got here. There it is. On my motor stator. So I can check the angle here. Oh wait, did I bring you guys with me? Yeah, I did bring you guys with me. Alright, that's fine. So how are we gonna do this? I think, well, you know what? Actually, it only matters what angle pistons are for like one thing. So let's say if rotor dot angle is equals 90, then we'll do something. Else if rotor angle equals 0, then we'll do something. But there's not going to be just a regular else condition. I don't think we want to do that. Where's my rotor? Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 90. Cool. And I think I also need to convert this. So let's say var angle is rotor angle times 180 divided by math.pi. Because this rotor.angle, this will give us back in radians, so we need to convert that back to degrees to use nice numbers like this. Now, here's you. My cat is messing around with stuff in my office. If you keep banging spoons around and stuff, okay? Excuse me. All right, let me see. Let me bring you guys back so I can see your comments, see what's going on. Why so many tabs open? Because I'm trying to memorize an API here. Space Engineers API. Okay, so I'm thinking about this, and it might actually be easier to just create a method for this. Public void. We'll call this head on. Apply directly to the forehead. Public void head off. So if the rotor is at 0, then we want to put the head on. If it's 90, then we'll run head off. Let me think. You know what? I don't think we actually have to care about what the... Yeah, we don't need to care about what angle this is. Because if I think about it, it's just the same thing every time. all we did was pistons extend, landing gear lock, merge block and connector unlock, pistons slightly extend, rotor rotates, rotor rotates, pistons slightly retract, merge block and connector connect, landing gear unlock, pistons fully retract. Okay, so let's work with these steps. First things first, where's my piston base? Piston base. The hell's that tab? Here it is. Okay, so we want to extend the pistons. So we'll say for each var piston in pistons. First thing we want to do is piston max velocity equals 0.4. Yeah. No, not max velocity. What am I thinking? Max limit 1.4. Once we set the max limit, then we'll set piston velocity equal to 0.1. That'll be for all four. Can we await? Huh, that's interesting. Can we do awaits? Let's see, my landing gear. I was right. It is called my landing gear. Oh yeah, we're going to want to set auto lock. We probably shouldn't do like a while loop. That's probably a bad idea. Landing gear auto lock equals true. Pretty sure that's, yeah, it's a bool. Okay. Just makes sense. So wait for landing gear lock. What we're going to do is say if landing gear lock mode. Ooh. What are the different lock modes though? Uh-oh. Oh, lock mode is probably for auto lock. Let's not use lock mode. Let's use is locked instead. So only if it's locked, then we'll do this stuff. Otherwise, it's just going to keep repeating keep repeating until this condition is met. So once this is unlocked, then I'll need, oh no. Unless I just, okay, I guess I could just flick on, I guess I could just try to lock and unlock all of the merge blocks and connectors. Try like that. Var merge 1, var merge 2, var connector 1. I'm in it to win it tonight, guys. I want this to be the quick and dirty way. Not worried about best practice or nothing like that right now. That's merge block 2. Merge block front. Oh, nice. Okay, so I don't have... bottom. Not bottom. Merge block bottom. And this is going to be connector bottom. Okay, nice. So we did get some good names there in the end. Yeah, merge block front, connector bottom, merge block bottom. Perfect. Perfect. You wish you could help, but it's basically magic to you? That's fine. I'll make it through somehow. Landing gear has extra local variables for how far out it is extended and how much stress is on it due to weight or dynamic pressure. Huh. Really? You see that? On my landing gear. I don't see these properties that you were... Are you sure you're thinking about a landing gear? Or something else? I would imagine this is called IMI merge block, but let's just make sure. IMI... Oh, no. You know what? It's probably... Oh, I don't see a connector on here either. That's a problem. Uh-oh. That's a problem. Merge. Okay, it's called ship merge block. Oh, and ship connector. Okay. IMI ship merge block. And this is going to be IMI ship connector. All right, so this one is called merge block front. Bottom one is called merge block bottom. Connector front. connector bottom. All right, let me just make sure that's the case. Yeah, merge block bottom. Good. Good, good, good. Wait, that's the catchphrase for several of your characters? Okay, well, anyway. All right, so merge one. Merge block, we can say we have access to here. I guess literally all we can do is just turn it off. Yeah, I think that's all we got. So enabled equals false. Do the same thing with merge 2. Now, for the iMyShip connector to say disconnect. So connector 1 dot disconnect. And that. So now we'll take these pistons here. Oh wait, so that's going to be turning those off and disconnecting them constantly. Yeah. Set that to 1.5 max limit. Now we got to rotate the rotor. So here I think that angle thing is going to come into play here, and we'll say if rotor angle times 180 divided by math.pi. Actually, I'm going to store this in a variable. If angle is greater than or equal to 90, or angle is less than or equal to 0, Okay, that's odd. Um, yes, just disconnected for some reason. Sure why. Hopefully you guys are still with me. So we're only going to do this if the angle is greater than or equal to 90, or if the angle is greater than, less than, or equal to 0. Otherwise, we're just going to let it do its thing. Wait a minute. Oh, it's Christmas where you are. Merry Christmas. Wait, it's Christmas where you're from. Rohan's got Christmas Eve. It's not even Christmas Eve here yet, where I am. You bet a graphics drawer should be tested on a CPU before being uploaded to an onboard GPU. Maybe? The problem is CPUs and GPUs, they don't do things the same way. So if you write your code to be performant on a CPU, it's almost a guarantee that it won't be performant on a GPU, and vice versa. But also, something like a graphics like library or something, that's not something that one person is going to write like by himself. You know, you probably have a team. So basically, there really shouldn't be any mistakes there. Oh, you celebrate Christmas on the 24th. Huh. All right, let's see. I'm getting stuck here. I don't know if you guys can tell or not. Here's what we're doing so far. We're going to extend the piston. Then we don't do anything until the landing gear is locked. Once the landing gear is locked, then we're going to disconnect all of those things and extend the piston a little bit more. And then we also want to start rotating there. Hey, Sweet Lou. Good to see you, man. Playing some Cold War. Nice. What is that? Call of Duty, right? But here's the issue. This won't do anything. All this will do is sweep back and forth. What we want it to do actually is to go up and then halt. So I know what we can do. Here we go. So if either of those angles happen and we want to check a variable, and we'll check a variable called needs retracting, I guess. Not needs retracting. So this will be bool needs retracting equals storage. What happens if I use the null coalesce? And then false. C# null coalesce. Whoa, that gets confusing fast. Then we'll say needs retracting equals true. There we go. So this is like a lock. So either of these conditions has to happen, and this needs to be false. Otherwise, this is true. But really the question is, what's going to happen here with this line? Storage is a special variable in Space Engineers that you can use. Oh, I guess I have to also set storage equals needs retracting. There we go. Also going to have to set that. So then we'll do grab this, change this to piston min limit 1.4, perfect. Velocity negative 0.1. Then if merge one dot is connected, if merge one is connected, then we'll do connector one dot, is this, it's called connect connect. Right here, we'll just copy that down. Merge 2 is connected, then connector 2 connect. Okay, I thought we could get away with doing that, but I don't think that we can. Just for the sake of trying to make this easy and go ahead and get it finished. Where's my landing gear? So connector 1 connect, then we'll say landing gear unlock. Our pistons. Zero, zero. There we go. So that's those last 2 steps. Oh man. All right, guys, let's hope this works, because this is going to be tough to debug if it doesn't, because I did this so quick and dirty. All right, boys, we ready to see this happen or what? Check the code. Ooh, ouch. That's a lot of errors. Oh no. All right, let's start checking these off then. On line 18, what did that say? I was missing a... Ah, yeah. Okay. I was missing a thingy. So, line 18, we gotta add in that. Then what was it saying about line 3? What did I do wrong here? Oh, it's runtime.update frequency. All right. So let's fix that. Try it again. Cannot convert type IMI terminal block to IMI piston base. Are you kidding me? So that's happening because here so let's take that out. What happens if I cast it here then? IMI piston base. Oh, trust me, we're not having any issues with that, Rohan. I've got the perfect number of braces set out. So I think this worked. I think if I actually cast it right here, IMI piston base, I think that was fine. So let's just cascade this change down. everywhere that I used this. Pistons, pistons, pistons. Okay, then here I need to put Fs. Because those are floats. Oh. Let's check that. Yeah, okay, we got a lot less errors now. Line 26, no coalescing operator cannot be applied to operands of type string and bool. So let's see, this is going to turn into a bool. Oh, storage should be okay. So let's do this then. Storage, then we'll do question mark. Storage equals that. Equals. And or true. Okay. That should take care of that issue. Cannot implicitly convert type bool to string. Come on. Storage. Can we just do toString? Will that work? No. That's annoying. So how did I do that in DAM? So yeah, first I had to check if storage was empty. Oh no, this is checking if the argument was null. Oof, that's not good. So let's say why isn't this working? All right, let's Jesus. Let's see the other errors we got. My ship merge block does not contain a definition for is connected. Okay, and that's what both of them say. So merge block. Oh, because it should be a capital I. There. Capital I. You see what's happening right here? These little issues like this? This is caused by not having IntelliSense. There we go. So now we're just down to one error, which is the way we like to live. And that error is cannot implicitly convert type bool to string. Okay. It can't implicitly, but can I just cast it to a string? No. All right, here's we go. You have to go to sleep since it's 3 a.m., so bye. Okay. See you time traveling FBI. Maybe check out the stream when you wake up to see if I ever got this working. I should be close, provided there's no, like, actual logic errors. If storage equals that. Alright, we'll just do this the simple way. Else. There we go. So if storage is an empty string, then we want needs retracting to false. Needs retracting equals true. Please tell me this is it. Oh, come on. Spelled something wrong? What do you mean cannot implicitly convert type bool to string? Where's line 55? Oh no, that's not even on this line. Why is it trying to convert this to a string? If I do that. Wait a minute. So this right here, this worked. And we're actually having the issue right here. This line. Why is this trying to convert the bool to a string? All right, let's take that and we'll just have a nested if here. There. Now no one needs to convert to a string. Oh my god, it's still doing it. Leave me alone. Line 51. There's line 51. Oh, here's another issue. Hold on. Oh, no. Okay, this was fine right there. That was fine. So that needs to be to string. Oof. Jeez. So storage is already a string, so I don't need to say to string. So if storage equals an empty string, or storage equals false, will that work? Hey, tie-dye. Minnesota is bullshit. Okay. Wait. Oh my god. It's doing something. Okay. And it stopped. Oh. Okay. You know what I forgot to do? So then once we do that, this should be, so me is how you can refer to that that specific programmable block that the script is running on. So then we'll just say enabled equals false. There we go. That should do it, boys. No! Alright, we failed. We failed. This maximum distance, this should be 1.5. Minimum distance should be 1.4. 1.5. Hello? 1.5. Oh. So the script is still running. It's constantly setting it to 1.4. Alright. And the landing gear is not locked. It's not. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn that off. And this should be at 1.4, not 1.5. So let's reverse that. Okay, they're at 1.4. And then rotor. Okay, let's reverse. Oh no! It was not supposed to catch right there. No, it was not. Landing gear. Excuse me? Alright, so that's connected, that's connected. Okay. Here we're gonna do another test, see if this works. Let's turn it on. Why is it retracting? I don't know. I don't know why I did that. Okay, let's forget about the scripting for now. I will figure out why that didn't work on my own time so I don't waste the valuable time that we have. Let's reverse that. Me is for VB, C sharp. C sharp's equivalent is this. Case sensitive, yeah, that's right. I believe you're right about the VB also. As a pointer, it must be combined with an arrow operator to access its members. Now, I don't think that's right. I think that's only in C++ and C. Did I get that about the me pointer and then this pointer? Of course I got it, man. I'm a C# developer. This is what I do for a living. Let's rotate. So it does work. It's just a lot, like, it's a lot of manual stuff. But look at this. It's actually working. And then this pistons, we can reverse them. Turn that on. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, man. Oh my god. I love this. All with just one little arm thing. And now I can stow the drill away. Tie-dye's gonna be sad, because we're never gonna crash into the drill head ever again. Alright, now let me show you this. So we're looking at the API index, right? And what we have is we have all of this special stuff here. Command line stuff. So they actually wrote like a command line parser. And that's pretty cool that you can use your things. But what's interesting is here, if we go to my grid program and we look at what's in here, we can scroll down and you can see that we have a me property. And this gets the reference of the currently running programmable block. So anywhere in your program, you can just use the word me with a capital M, and you will be referencing the currently running programmable block. And that is that the programmable block that the script is running on. So it's not a language of the, it's not a feature of the language, it's a feature of the Space Engineers API. Never thought I'd say that, but apparently it has features. Alright, boys and girls, let's go get this gold. I have spent enough time messing around. Well, Rohan, in C#, you don't deal with pointers. Pointers is not something that you do in C#. Like, it's taken care of for you. You know, like, if you pass an object, it's automatically passed by reference. Or if you pass, I think, any kind of primitive, except for a string, then I think it's passed by value. And I don't know. I don't know about me working in C#. I'm not sure I can say that. But me works in the Space Engineers API. What do you mean, tie-dye? It took too long to strip all those layers? I don't understand. What are you talking about? You found a meme just for me? Put it in the Discord. I'll look at it after the stream. I close Discord during the streams, guys, because I don't want, like, the dings. I don't want those to be audible, just in case, you know, you guys have Discord up yourselves. I don't want you to hear my dinging sounds. Oh, okay. Took you 10 minutes to strip 3 layers of clothing? Well, I guess you could never work in the theater. I hope I didn't just fly to the wrong rock, dude. This is gold, right? Looks like gold. Kinda hard to tell. Yeah, that's gold. Oh, baby, that is gold. The whole reason we're here, you know? Alright, so let's see if we can get our sequence down. First, we gotta disconnect the bottom. There we go. And disconnect that. Good. Now over here, let's find that rotor. Oh, you know what? I don't have to put that on a separate page, actually. What was this? Drill head. Oh, it's not connected, so. This can be all on the same tab, guys. So my rotor here will just reverse. And then same with the pistons. Reverse. So we'll hit 3. And 4. Yeah. Perfect so far. Perfect so far. Woo! Okay. That was something. Let's reverse those pistons. Yeah, connect that up. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so helpful. It's so helpful. I don't have to live in fear of crashing into my own drill head anymore. This is going to be glorious someday. When it all goes wrong. I bet you'd love that, wouldn't you, Tie-Dye? He loves watching me blow up my stuff. This guy. Well, and oh, I'm sure you won't forget, Tad. All the hard work that I put into the programming. You know what? It sort of worked. Could have been better. Okay, so how do I explain this? Application programming interfaces, or APIs, does a lot of things better than modern GUIs. So an API and a GUI, those are different concepts, right? So a GUI is just running code, but with like a nice window for a user to see. But an API is typically how you would connect to like vendor specific functionality using code that you write. So for example, one of my tasks at work now is to set up a scheduler for us so that we can have stuff run automatically. And this scheduler program that we decided to use, they have an API, and all the API is a DLL with their custom objects in it. So what I can do is look at their documentation, and I can use those objects and methods the way that they intend to. Which is why I'm having such an easy time transferring my programming skill to space engineers, actually, because not only do I have experience with the space engineers API, I now have experience with another completely separate company's API. The API resembles a CLI in its form? No, no, no. All the API is a DLL. It has objects, and it has those objects' methods in it. So you could use an API to create either or both of a CLI or a GUI application. Schedulers need interrupts. I'm sure they have it, that functionality somewhere in their code. That's not something that I have to deal with my uses of their API, because that's kind of a built-in feature. They call them triggers in their code. Let's see, am I full? Dude, I'm nowhere near full, actually. But you know what? We got absolute buckets full of stone. Yes, dynamic link library. Yep. Or is it dynamically linked library? I'm not sure. All right, tie-dye. Here you go. This is the moment you've been waiting for, man. The moment where everything explodes. Putting the drill head away. Whoa, that arm. What the heck is that arm doing? Hey, we did it. We did it. Nothing exploded. I am so happy. I am so happy. Yeah, that sway was intense. Holy crap. I cannot believe that worked out so well, guys. And like, sure, the programming didn't work, but you know what? I only had to add 2 more buttons to my hotbar, and oh god. Oh god. I ran out of power? What? Are you kidding me? I ran out of power. Okay, trash removal. Let's make sure this is off. Is it not trash removal? No, wait, is it trash removal? Oh, crap. I ran out of power again, dude. I can't believe that just happened. So, okay, we're only gonna delete if it's stationary. Alright, that's good. Can I remote control? Oh. Wait, what does this mean? Player's antenna off. Wait. My antenna is off. Check the antenna symbol in the bottom left corner. Let's press O. Ooh, look at that. Alright. No! Cannot establish connection to grid. You know what, Rohan? That's not a bad idea. Like some little solar panels could go like right on this refinery. That's... Oh, here we go. Right here on top of this battery. Could I do something on this side? If I had one battery out right here. Oh no, why are we rotating? And I could do it like that. This is really bad. I'm gonna save. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna save. And I guess we're just gonna fly back. Yes, it is. Oh, man. Yeah, it's moving. But the good thing is, if I just go directly back to the space AU, I should run into it eventually. Oh, wait a minute. That's the station right there. Am I going to it? I don't want to alarm anyone, but this is distressing for me. No, I can't. I guess you could say that, tie-dye. This is both pear-shaped and tits up, yep. I think that's pretty accurate. Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking about doing. Bringing another ship out there. This monster of a ship. This thing should have more than enough space. Localized polar coordinates? Sure, I guess. Localized polar coordinates. So if we're talking about anything local in math is going to be relative to some body, like say perhaps a ship. Polar coordinates would be, you know, the north and south poles. So yeah, sure, that makes sense. What the hell is taking so long, dude? I've got like 5,000 assemblers here. All right, all assemblers except for assembler 2, you're now in cooperative mode. There we go. Yeah, they are being non-cooperative. Kind of a shame that I don't have a welder on this ship. With all the utility this ship has, it doesn't have a welder or a grinder on it. Imagine that. Alright, I should have plenty of everything to get home in this guy. Oof, this is not going to be a fun trip. Back up the backup save. Just in case I crash into the ship. Woo! Wouldn't that be just fun? Luckily I do have a camera. Oh look, I think I can see the ship. I think that's it. Wow, it's a good camera. I'm pretty sure that's the ship. Alright, we should be all set. Yeah, I will have to match the speed. I don't think that's going to be an issue, though. The real problem is matching its rotation, because I noticed that my ship is now tumbling slightly. So that's kind of a problem. Because notice how that is not the orientation of the ship when we left it. Oh, we're coming in pretty hot here. Ah, not as hot as I thought, actually. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking. Oh, there it goes. Ah, this is gonna be fun. Okay, I have a better idea. Control Z, yeah. Got it. Where's the station? There it is. This ship actually traveled a lot. There it is. Let's get out of here, boys. What happens if I turn these back on? Oh yeah, it lasts for an hour? Okay, sure. Okay, now, let's see. Localizing a coordinate system takes 5 coordinates, 3 absolute, 2 or more for the orientation. Okay. Or it may take 7 to do just 1 rotation to get the appropriate orientation. The 4 through 6 are the normal, the 7th is the angle of rotation. Localizations need scaling of linear units. Okay, that sounds right. To radians, minutes or degrees. Radians run fastest in code. Okay, okay. I'm kind of taking all that on faith right now. Because vector math is kind of the last thing on my mind at the moment. Whew, the little miner that could. I'm just gonna save. Don't hate me. Oh, did I just pull up at the wrong side? Oops. Kind of got in a little trance there. Oh man. Ladies and gentlemen, what a journey that was. And there we have it. We're back. Just like that. Just like nothing even happened. Where are the batteries? There we go. Oh, don't have steel plates. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We are safe at last. Wait, is this not connected? Oops. I see what happened there. We are safe at last. We are connected once again. And I'll tell you, you know, we had some real puckering moments there. Things were pear-shaped, they were tits up. And we pulled through. We persevered and we made it. As we always do. So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me this evening. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I did. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you did. It helps out a lot. Get in chat if you like to sit on the sidelines. I want to talk to you, want to hear from you. And I want to respond to you. Leave me your comments. If you don't make it for the stream and you just watch the video afterwards, definitely leave your comments. I respond to every comment. So, with all that said, thank you so much again, and I will see you guys in the next one.